Okay, now this is my second demonstration of my iPhone application, Weiqi2Go, and I'm going to switch over to the local tab and how show you what's on this tab, and some of the functionalities around how you can build and organize your professional game collection. And out of box, basically, I included two sample game with my application download, and one of them is a historic games, and another one is a World Amateur Go Championship of 2012 games, which happened earlier this year in China. And in the historical game, I put some of my favorite games from the Masters of Japan, also goiing, also game by Wei from the Super Go game between Japan and China, and also some of the other my favorite games like this by Li Saidao and Luo Xi和南皮. Some examples. This is a game called Red Year Move. Is in this game, and this one is the giant ladder game. So, and this one is the famous 3-code game. And yeah, I'm going to skip those describing those games in detail and focus on how you can build a library and organize your library. Okay. Second list. Okay. Local list. By clicking this plus button and fill in the information on the next screen, you would see a second local list. Click down, you will see this new local list. And again, click edit, click this delete. Your new list is deleted. One thing you'll notice is basically this default SGF list. You cannot delete this one. If you want, you can change the list name of this list, but you cannot delete this list. Also, if you delete a list with games inside this list, all the games belong to this deleted list will be put in this default SGF list. So, okay, and yeah, clicking this disclosure arrow, you could change a list name. And when you have a list open, you could remove a game from this list. When you remove a game from a normal list, this game will be put in the default SGF list. Let me show you. Remove, down. So this game is moved over to here. I can change the list of the game from default SGF list back to my new list number 2. So save. This game is back. And basically you can move a game from a regular list to the default list by changing the list, or you could use the delete to move this game to the default list. One thing that this default SGF list is different from other lists is if you delete a game from this list instead of what we did, removing a game from other list, actually the game will be dropped in here. If we delete a game from the default if I delete this game from here, you see this is delete instead of remove. This game will be deleted from the device and from the database and from the file system, and it's gone permanently, basically. And let's see. If I do this edit, when you are in this edit mode of this tab, there's a remove all button, not remove all button, but it's more like a row of this table. If you click on this remove all, both of the, two rows of this list will be put in the default SGF list. Done. And when you edit this default SGF list, you will see a delete all row here. If you click this row, all the three records, all the three game files will be deleted permanently altogether. Let's see. If you click the delete all confirmation, action sheet will pop up asking you are you sure you want to delete all the three games permanently? If we click yes, they will be gone. Okay, that's about it for the local list.